Today we've got some more amazing success stories of people changing their body using the law of attraction, using mindset, using manifestation, just showing you what is truly possible for you too. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Juliet Cleary, I'm a manifestation coach, and if you resonate with this message, make sure to like this video and subscribe. To work together, that information's in the description box below, as well as the link to my meditation channel if you'd like to subscribe there as well. By popular demand, I have some more success stories to share with you on the subject of changing your body, because I have hundreds or thousands of them, and I'm just kind of sifting through and getting the best ones to show you. When you really understand the nature of what reality really is, anything is possible, and our bodies are no different. There are no true limitations for us. And so hopefully some of these stories can inspire you to believe a little bit more so that you allow the manifestations to happen for you too. Because if there is a desire, it means that your desire exists. It means that there is a reality where you're living that right now. Okay, let's get right in. Okay, Karen Bowerman says, I have changed my body. I did it rather unintentionally. Everyone in my family has beautiful blue eyes and mine were green. I just kept thinking about mine being blue, and now they are the most beautiful gray blue. Also, my hair was stick straight and wouldn't hold a curl after using a curling iron. I kept picturing myself with curly hair, and now I have thick hair that has beach waves and curls. I never have to use a curling iron, and I get compliments daily on how beautiful it is. Now I know why this worked. Believe in yourself. You do have the power. You are the power. I have also told myself I have perfect vision and I no longer have to wear glasses. I'm telling you, you can do anything you want. Believe. And I've had a few people actually message me and say, can I heal my eyesight? Can you make a video about that? You absolutely can. People are doing this. So amazing to see, when people say this is impossible or this can't happen or this is permanent. And more people, especially now, more and more people are showing up and really doing things differently. And we're seeing how everything we thought was true is really not, and that there aren't the limitations we thought there were. Okay, another one. Lexi, I do believe. For months, I was not losing weight because I was hating myself. My body, the image of it. But one day I realized I am doing such a bad thing to myself, and I started to love myself day by day, to work at the mind, body, and soul. And by now I have released 27 kilos. Thank you so much for your videos. You're a sweetheart. So 27 kilos, incredible, from loving herself, from actually moving to that state of the wish fulfilled, which you would love yourself, would you not? When you're hating your body or you're pushing against what you don't like, you are a match to it. It must stay as it is. Accepting and loving yourself right now, that's why I've always said it's the fastest way to get to where you want to be, because you're literally embodying the end result. Okay, another one, Alessandra. Yes, I manifested losing 60 pounds and it happened quicker than I ever imagined. It's all about the positivity and belief. Yes, it's all about your alignment, so you feeling good, so you're open to receiving what you want and you having the belief. You're surrendering to the belief that this can happen for you. Okay, Gladys. Works. I went to Puerto Rico with a little belly. After 2 days, I had a flat belly. I could not believe that was possible until that moment, which means that she had no resistance. There wasn't like this strong urgency or need. She had very little, it was kind of, she was playing with it. And she goes on to say in the comments, I looked in the mirror, I imagined not seeing a belly. And in less than 3 days, my belly got flat. I could not believe my eyes. I swear law of attraction works. After that, I even manifested hitting the New York Lotto constantly. Amazing. Another one, Amelie. I lost 5 kilograms in a month without changing what I eat or working out. Keep positive. So even though it doesn't say, what these people did, I just want you to know that this is happening. I want you to know it's possible, and everyone's going about it in different ways because it's not ever the process. You're the power. So it's whatever process resonates with you. That process can be letting it go and just getting happy, right? It depends what feels best for you in the moment. So more evidence that you can lose weight without changing your diet or your exercise routine. All right, another one, Bari. And sorry if I pronounce these names incorrectly. Thank you for the reminder. Life can throw you off track sometimes. I remember once that I saw myself with a flat stomach and I said to myself, 2 people are going to comment on my flat stomach. And literally maybe 4 weeks later, 2 men, one I did not know and one I did know, both commented on how flat my stomach was. It all came so effortlessly. I didn't exercise or eat differently. I just kept the vision. Maybe subconsciously I did self-talk without realizing it. Thank you again. Another example of someone who did not change their eating habits, did not change their exercise routine and lost weight, got a flat belly. And what she's saying is that she saw herself having that flat stomach and she wasn't, doing it on repeat, but she kind of just made the intention, people are going to comment. And then she realized, oh, I have that flat stomach and I didn't even change what I did. And this is like what I've talked about in the past with myself, is when I was trying to manifest something with my body and I'm going at it and I'm focused on it, and I'm imagining it and I really want to change it, it would never happen. But so many times I would imagine it once, right? Or I would intend it once, I'd visualize it once, or maybe a few times, and then I'd let go and just not care. And if you don't care, you're not adding resistance and you allow it to come in, you allow it to be revealed to you. Okay, in this video I was just talking about what's possible with the body, with changing your appearance, and Kelly says definitely possible. I have absolutely reversed tooth decay, changed my facial structure, and reversed aging. It's all about frequency. And I love that she mentioned the facial structure and aging because a lot of you leave me comments on those subjects, and I just want you to know people are doing this. Okay, this one, Ida. First time I visited the dentist, she told me my cavities had healed on their own. So no need to do anything. So evidence that your teeth can heal on their own. And that's something, teeth, we've been told the body can repair, the body can change, but the teeth can't. And we are seeing more and more evidence that that's just not the case. And so this is a really inspiring story. Okay, another eye color changing story. So Remia says, works. I had brown eyes to begin with, and right now they are yellowish golden. All I used to do was whenever I would wear glasses, I had them when I was studying or driving, I would say it's my reality, and in my reality, my eyes are yellowish amber in color. The first person to ever notice my eyes was my mum. She pointed it out. I did not even check my face for that. It did just happen. So she wasn't keeping score, but she was just, I guess, sticking to that state of the wish fulfilled, just choosing what she wanted to be her reality without constantly checking, did it change, right? Not needing the results. That's really important. And her eye color changed. Okay, Alex. I manifested a bigger butt. Also, my hair was very straight and is now wavy. Anything can be done, but it's harder if you believe it's impossible. Remember to always clarify you want these kinds of things to happen healthily. And then she goes on to say that she did it with the assumption that certain exercises would make her butt bigger. And she had tried before doing the same exercises and nothing happened. She added the intention to the action she was doing. She was setting up an expectation. She says you can use placebos too. And even if you work for things, they are still manifestations. Yes, even if you take action, it's still a manifestation. With the hair, I just told myself how beautiful my wavy hair looks every time I looked in the mirror. See, it's different for every person, showing you that there is no right or wrong. It's whatever it takes for you to feel it, for you to feel like it is yours, for you to feel the emotions of it, for you to believe a little more. However that works for you, however it's easiest for you to do that. Another video, Rama, it's true, people, believe it or not, I manifested my perfect vision. All it takes is believing that I already have it, visualize it, live it. You can do this. So another one who attracted having their ideal eyesight, their ideal vision. Okay, another one here. Yes, I changed my nose shape. It looks so much more prettier and attractive. And my eyes are very light hazel. I love them. I included this one because I get a lot of comments asking me about nose shape. And of course you can get nose surgery. That's still manifestation. Everything is manifestation. But I have heard of a few people who have changed their nose shape just by using their mindset or visualization. It definitely would take a little bit of believing, like you got to believe that that is possible for you. But here is a perfect example that they changed their nose shape. It's more attractive and they changed their eye color. Okay, another one. Hey guys, I believe in law of attraction. I tried this method. I increased my height. I was 5'4" and now I'm 5'9". And also I changed my eye color into green. Just more examples of what's possible. Okay, so I discovered law of attraction a few months ago. I tried growing my height last week and I grew by 3 centimeters. I am so thankful. Amazing. Okay, this one was a recent comment that I received. Galaxy Fluke. I lost 110 pounds using my mind with 0 extra skin hanging around. Amazing. I'm now 5'8" and 135 pounds at 35 years old. I'm in better shape than high school. When people ask how I lost all the weight, when I say I started talking to myself internally different and daydreamed I was extra fit every night when I fell asleep, people get annoyed, but I don't know how else to explain it. So they started talking, different self-talk, talking to themselves in a different, more positive way, and imagining, like just playing in their imagination every single night that they were already in the body that they wanted, and letting that be enough. If you let whatever you're doing, like the imagination part, if you let it be enough and then you let go, throughout your day and just focus on being in alignment as much as, you possibly can, you just allow it to come to you. But if you're constantly checking or worrying about it, you just temporarily block it. All right. Kareen, this is the second last one. I manifested my ideal height, 1.63 meters, and I was 1.58 meters before. Found I'm officially that height last week, asking a nurse to measure it for me to be sure. I'm 37, by the way. There are many other things I've manifested, but that one was really incredible. When she said you are 1.63 meters, I was like, whoa, now I want 2 more centimeters. I love that. I know there's a lot of you out there who want to grow taller and you doubt that you can because of what, society has told us, but there are people breaking these rules every single day. Pay attention. Last one, I actually saw this comment this morning, and so I added it to this video. So Caviar, and I'm sorry again if I get the names wrong, Caviar says, I followed thoroughly all the techniques you explained in your change of appearance playlist. So that's on my YouTube channel. I have manifested a lot of changes in my body over the past few months. 1, cleared all my acne marks and dark spots on my skin. Amazing. 2, reduced my hair fall. Incredible. 3, lost weight and now I'm at my ideal weight. 4, reduced my side belly fat and upper belly fat. 5, reduced my thigh fat. And 6, changed my eye shape a little bit, which is incredible. I have achieved all these things by shifting my emotions to more positive ones. That's the biggest key. Feeling grateful to my body for keeping me alive and healthy, so important. Talking to my cells before sleep, and I believe I can manifest more things in my life. You absolutely can. I've been following your advice for the past few years. I've listened to many law of attraction coaches, but no one has left an impact on me the way your teachings did. You are a wonderful mentor and your videos help me a lot. Thank you so much for your wisdom. I am grateful for you. That's so nice. Or grateful to you. That's so kind. But how amazing all those changes over the past few months. Amazing. Guys, there are no limits. There are no limits. Your body is just, your body, basically like your life, your outer world, your body is a projection. Your body is reflecting you. Whatever you really want it to be, it can be. So I hope that these have helped you, have inspired you, or given you some little ideas or impulses of like, oh, that sounds fun, or maybe I'll do that. Or you know what? I'm going to believe more. I'm going to let go of worrying about this. Or I hope it's helped you in some way. And if it did, or if you have a success story of your own, comment down below. Let me know. If this video helped you, make sure to give this a thumbs up for me. Subscribe and tap that bell icon. And if you would like to work together, that information's in the description box below for you. Thank you for being here. Have an amazing day and I'll see you next time.